क्या फाइट और फ्लर्टिंग में माहिर सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला सलमान खान के होस्ट किए गए टीवी रियलिटी शो से एग्जिट कर चुके हैं? According to some reports and pictures that have emerged online, Siddharth, Hina and Gauhar, who are playing seniors on the show, are rumored to have finally exited from the sets of the reality show, जहां celebrities कई दिनों तक एक साथ रहते हैं with no access to the outside world. After many previous seasons that saw plenty of dramatic showdowns and meltdowns, this reality show hosted by Bhaijan Salman Khan himself is back for a 14th season of Masala, Madness and Mayhem. Day one से sets पे non-stop drama चल रहा था thanks to the contestants from previous seasons Siddharth Shukla, Hina Khan and Gauhar Khan who have formed a great group together. लेकिन now it seems like their reign might have to come to an end. Why? Check it out. Siddharth, who was the winner last year and also one of the most controversial contestants, was brought back this year with season 11 runner-up Hina Khan and season 6 winner Gauhar Khan to add some extra drama ka tadka on the show and mentor the many first-time contestants. Siddharth has been seen and heard flirting non-stop with Gauhar and even told her कि अगर वो उनकी चाय कॉफी लाकर सेवा करती रही तो उन्हें गौहर से प्यार हो जाएगा. He also managed to strike a great friendship with Hina Khan and they have been having a blast from day one. But since their stint in the house was only for the first 2 weeks, perhaps to make sure कि drama or ratings maximum हो, it seems that these seasoned players have now exited the house, as the sets of the show are called. A social media page has shared a hazy picture of an individual who the page claims is Siddharth Shukla. The individual was spotted outside the sets of the show, which is currently being filmed at Film City in Mumbai. The caption on the pictures say, "Yes, finally seniors are out of the house. Now the real game begins." वैसे तो एक दिन पहले तक सिद्धार्थ रियलिटी शो के सेट पर दिखे थे, but looks like he may not be seen anymore on the show. अब उनका एग्जिट कैसे होगा और किन हालात में होंगे, ये देखना पड़ेगा. It may be possible that Siddharth was allowed to step out for a short while and will make a return soon to keep the entertainment going. लेकिन जहां सिद्धार्थ के fans upset है, वहीं Hina and Gauhar's fans reacted with happiness of rumors of Siddharth's exit because they feel that both the ladies have to keep agreeing to what he says. While seniors may leave soon as announced at the beginning of the season, the new contestants seem to have learnt the tricks of the trade quite soon and many like Ejaz Khan, Rubina Dilak and Pavitra Punia already अपने कई अलग रंग और ढंग audiences को दिखा चुके हैं and it seems that this season too, like previous seasons of the show, is all set to become a small screen potboiler. Well, we are not complaining, we are just sitting with snacks and enjoying the drama unfold on our screens every day. Siddharth or no Siddharth, the show will go on.